Guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to ventilate properly, the method to use, the strands of hair to use, and also the spacing to use when ventilating. So if you're interested to know how to ventilate properly, then this video is for you. Stay tuned and let's get started. As you all know, there are different ways, different methods to ventilate, especially diagonal, slant, straight line. There are so many ways to ventilate, and this method I'm doing the diagonal method. This is how the spacing looks like. I'm picking 2 strands of hair, and the reason why I'm doing this is to make it look neat. And 2 strands of hair is the normal strands to pick when ventilating, but mistakenly you can pick 3 strands of hair, which is still okay, so long as you don't pick it all the time, like it's by mistake that you do it, then it can still be considered as okay. This is how the ventilation looks like. This is how the spacing looks like. If you observe, I'm not jumping too much line in this, which I'm going to be talking about later, how we achieve this. So keep watching and observe properly. We are going to discuss it later in this video. The knotting that I'm doing in this video, I'm doing a single knotting. I'm going to talk about different knotting and why it's necessary and when necessary to use it to ventilate. This one I'm doing a single knotting, just so the single knotting and tight properly to avoid losing out. So if you tie it maybe small, it will still lose out. So this single strand or this double knotting and single knotting is to tie it properly. I'm ventilating small, like I won't ventilate to the end because the length of the diagonal line is too lengthy. So I'm doing it short to make it easier for me. In the ventilating, what I'm doing in this spacing is just to ventilate all the lines. I'm ventilating all the lines in this method, but what I'm doing is to ventilate one hole and leave out the next one, ventilate one hole and leave out the next one. This is what I'm doing till I'm done with this ventilation. And this method makes it neat, it makes it look natural. So I hope you understand what I did in this video. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment on what you think about this ventilation. Should we do the double spacing or this one is okay for you? This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. It looks so neat, and that's why I like this method. So thank you for staying to this moment. I love you. See you in my next video. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, do it to subscribe, to be part of my family, and for more videos and for more updates, see you in my next video. Bye.